We have made it to Boracay. Woo! Do I have a lot to fill you in on? I am just leaving our Airbnb, our new home, for the next week and a half. So come with me. A lot of stuff to see. Our accommodation in Boracay. It might not be a beach view, but it is a 5-minute walk to the beach. And it's beautiful. Our room is up those stairs, but we have access to the main living, which has this beautiful living room, kitchen. Look how beautiful. We get pups. Hi, Teddy. Aw, you melt. And then look at this baby. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. This is where I'm about to do my morning routine. And then this back area, it's so nice. And it's all about the detail. I love the detail here. Hi. Oh, what is that? What are you saying? I've never heard her talk that much. Hi. The life. And then we'll go up to our room. And this one is ours. Water at your disposal, love it, hot and cold. This is like a communal patio, but we don't really use the communal patio. Walk in, we just have storage. This is the bed. Bathroom is over there. And this is our private balcony. How serene. Oh, this is where we can hang our clothes if they're wet to dry. And our bathroom. Ooh, Spanish tile, very beautiful. We're home. That wasn't too expensive, I don't think. $4.20. Oh, shoot, okay. The beach! Okay, for those who have been to St. Martin, tell me this doesn't remind you of St. Martin. In terms of the crystal clear water and then the mountain backdrop, I would say maybe a differentiator are the palm trees that line the entire beach. But it also has the white butterflies, which is what I loved about St. Martin. There were white butterflies everywhere. Like hordes of butterflies, beautiful. Here, you might see it ever so often, but I think today, just alone, I've seen at least like 7 white butterflies. So I don't know, it's just giving St. Martin, but I literally wanted to go back to St. Martin. I had went there once on a cruise, so it feels nice to be back, but we're in the Philippines with it. Not St. Martin, but you get the vibes. I love it here. My beanie still has my heart so far, but it is beautiful. Let me not deny the facts. Whee! The water feels good. Lots of seaweed. As you can see, weed. But yeah.